Consider industrial IoT. It's here the edge computing truly shines. By processing data closer to its source, machines are equipped with predictive maintenance capabilities. This means sensors on machines analyze data to predict failures even before they occur. The result is fewer costly breakdowns and smoother operations. Edge computing is also significantly improving quality control. Cameras and sensors on production lines perform real time analysis to identify defects immediately. The outcome is improved product quality and less waste. Plus, it's possible to monitor and manage industrial assets like wind turbines or oil rigs in remote locations without a constant cloud connection. Now, let's take a trip out to our cities. They are getting smarter thanks to edge computing. Traffic data from sensors is analyzed to optimize flow, reduce congestion, and improve air quality. Public safety has also seen a boost with real time crime prevention and incident response through video surveillance and smart cameras. Edge computing even enables authorities to monitor air and water quality, responding quickly to environmental threats. Next, we will visit the retail industry. Ever wonder how your favorite store always seems to have just what you want? Edge computing might be the answer. It tracks customer movements and preferences to offer targeted promotions and recommendations in real time. Inventory management also becomes smoother, automating reordering based on real time sales data. And when it comes to loss prevention, real time analysis of video footage and sensor data helps detect shoplifting attempts. Healthcare too is transforming here. Wearable devices and sensors which collect patient data for continuous monitoring, allowing doctors to detect early signs of the health concerns. Patient data at the edge is analyzed to personalize treatment plans and improve medication effectiveness. And in emergencies, real time data from ambulances and medical devices optimize response times, providing faster, more efficient care. Finally, let's not forget autonomous vehicles. With edge computing, they are able to process sensor data from cameras, lidar, and radar to react to their surroundings in real time. They can even communicate with a traffic infrastructure at the edge to improve traffic flow and optimize routes. And for maintenance, real time monitoring of the vehicle performance and diagnosing potential issues ensures safety and prevents breakdowns. From industry to healthcare, cities to retail, edge computing is revolutionizing the way we live and work. It's not just about processing data, but doing it smarter, faster, and closer to the source. The future is here, and it's powered by edge computing.